What's good, YouTube? Today is Monday, and this is Monday evening, and we have started again this week. And I'm going to show you what the dashboard is looking like on the 400 Nest challenge. Still down about 1.5%. I'm going to show you now. Um, I've set some limit order. I've set two. I think one on um, GBP USD and the second one on the USD CHF. So I'm going to show you in a bit. So let me dive in and show you what I have on the chart and on the dashboard. Alright guys, so this is how the dashboard is looking like for now. I'm still down about 1.5%, and I have $75 more to get out of the drawdown, and that is what I have on the dashboard. And on the charts, so on the charts, I on the GBP USD, I've set the limit order. This is what I'm anticipating on. So I'm expecting the price to come back to the psychological level here. Plus, on this trend line here, I want to see a rejection there. So I've set the limit order on that for now. But there's a problem here. I think maybe the market want to reverse. So that is none of my business. So I just stick to the plan. So I'm going in once the price come here, and let's see if the price is going to come down to that level. And on USD CHF, so I'm thinking of going short on this level here. So let's say on psychological level and on this trend line here. So I want to, I've set the limit order there already. So I want to take a short position around there as well. Another pairs NU. So I don't have a clear setup. Maybe I'm going to go for long here, maybe, but I'm going to update on you. I'm going to update that to you later. And on the AU, on AU, I think I'm going to go for long here, but whatever the update, I'm going to do that later. So on USD card, so I'm thinking of going short here. So once the price comes to this level, I'm going to take a short position. So that is for that on USD card. So I'm going to update you on that later. So see you in the next clip. What's good, YouTube? Today is Tuesday, and this is Tuesday evening. This is a quick update on the trade GBP USD. Around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the GBP USD tapped me in, and I was a little bit of profit around here. So the trade now later come down and hit my stop loss. So I'm down about 0.5% now. So on GBP USD now, I think I'm going to change my bias now. The reason for that is that the price has broken this trend line over here, around here, and again I can still consider this here, this level here, as a double top or triple top. I guess I think there's a resistance over there. So I think I'm going to look for a short position around here on this psychological level here. So I'm going to look for a short position here. So since this level here has broken, let's see, maybe it's going to get a rejection here. So that is for that on GBP USD. I think that is only trade setup I have for now, because on the USD CHF I've closed the order on it. I think maybe since the bias has changed, maybe I can just wait for the price to break above here. So before I can take a long position and wait for it to come back to this trend line and this support level here. So that is for what I have on the USDCHF. So don't let me let I don't want to let the video to be long, so let me just stop here, and I'm going to update you on it later. So I'm going to see you in the next clip. Peace. What's good, guys? This is going to be a quick update. At the place of work, so I just want to update you on this. I'm in this trade now, and it is a little bit in drawdown. So it is a little bit of drawdown. It made a little bit of profit here, but it has reversed back here. So let me just make that quick update. Definitely, I'm going to update you later. Let me see you later on that. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, and this is Thursday morning. Um, in the dashboard, I'm still down about 2.02%. Let's just say 2%. I'm down about 2%. And I told you that I took one trade yesterday. Let me show you the progress of the trade. The trade is in a little bit of profit. The trade is still doing well. I believe it's going to turn out to be a good trade, but if it is not, life goes on. So it's just a quick update. I'm going to update you on it if it is going to be a winning trade or a losing trade. So let me see you in the next clip. What's good, guys? This is an update on the trade I took earlier, and the trade is still behaving, but something is going on around here. You can see this huge engulfing candle around there. I think the market is reacting to this level over here. So I think the market is reacting to the level over here. So that is what I think the market is reacting to. So I've reduced my risk, and my risk is now half of what I'm supposed to lose around the air. So that is just for the update for now. Maybe the market is going to break this level here. If the market managed to break this level here, so that means we are good to go. But if it's continue reversing upward, there's nothing I can do about that. Let me just stick to the plan. I've reduced my risk by half. Let me just stick to the plan and hope the market is going to go in our favor. So I'm going to update you on that. So let me catch you up later on that. What's good, guys? Today is Friday, and this is Friday morning, and this is an update on the trade AU on the funded next challenge. The trade has been reversing. The trade hit like 1:1, more than 1:1, and started reversing back up. So, and again, according to my rules, whenever my trade hits 1:1, I reduce my risk by half. That is one of my trading rule, and I've done that since yesterday. I've reduced my risk by half. So the worst thing that can happen now is I lose half of what I wanted to lose at the beginning. So that is the worst scenarios now. And there's no need for me to let the video to be long. So let me catch you up later. Definitely, I'm going to update you whatever the outcome of the trade later. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, and this is Saturday morning. Um, on the trade I took earlier this week, I closed the trade yesterday, which is on Friday, and according to my trading rules, I don't take trade over the weekend, and I close all trade by 7 o'clock on Friday. So I did that yesterday, and I closed the trade around here. So I closed the trade for 1:1 around here, and that is what I have for this week. And again, for this week, it's just a break even trade for this week, because I lost 1 hour on Tuesday, Then this is a 1 hour trade, and it just make it a break even trade. So we go again next week, and I believe and I pray that next week is going to be better. So that is for that. That is for this week. So let me see you next week, and I pray that next week is going to be better. If you enjoyed the journey and you want to continue following the journey, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and the like and share. So I'm going to see you next week, and I pray next week is going to be better. So peace out and see you next week.